Everybody, my name is Karmnye. Welcome to my channel Paper. For today we will make paper Tippy Tippy Tap. So look one, I made it myself. So first we need a square paper. I mean the origami. So first we fold our paper like this. Then open it. Then you can see this middle line. So fold your paper in this middle line. The four corners. This, and this, and this. So let's start with this one. Then do the two others also. It has to be equal. Then when you have done, stick it and flip it. And fold it your paper like and you can see this middle line. So you can see this four corners, bring it in the middle line. Then do the same with the other three sides. Then flip it. Then you can see. Then fold your paper like this. Then you can see this two thumbs. So the toughest part has come. Put your finger in the it's very hard, but in practice it's easy for you if you do lots of practice. Then your Tippy Tippy Tap is ready. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe.